Hi, this is Ed Duclo, Tech Content Coach, South Windsor School District. So this is continuing the series with Screencastify. Again, keeping in mind anything that's on your screen and your voice will be crunched together in a link in a video that will be instructional, how-to. This is going to be a whiteboard. So I've already started Screencastify. You can see the icon with the red dot. It's recording. I can come over here and I'm going to use Jamboard. Jamboard, if you haven't used it before, is part of the G Suite for Education tools. I could be calling up one of mine that I've used in the past, or I could come down here, hit the plus, and start a new jam. The features, any of the tools over on the side I could be using. I don't need to use Screencastify's tools here, so I'm going to click those off. And then I could be sharing this with my entire class. I could be putting this through Google Classroom. You get the idea. But the bottom line is Screencastify can be capturing all of this. As a teacher, I could be doing it this way, and get this, as a student, I could be doing it and explaining what I'm doing as I'm drawing, as I'm doing whatever on Jamboard, on the Jam. Make sure that you go ahead and title it beforehand and then clicking and turning it off. And that's it. Screencastify with a whiteboard. Hope this has been helpful. Have yourself a great day.